app. Immediately you register this app, the first thing they will do is to bring you out the first survey, which is just for you to complete your registration, and then you earn money from it. All right. So now what do we do? If you look at this, you see that you're going to earn about $0.001. If you convert it to naira, this is up to around 300 naira, right, or so, or 700 naira or so. Okay, so the first thing we do is just to set up our profile. Setting up your profile is what you will do for you to earn money immediately before they will start bringing other survey. This app is simply for you to just be answering questions. If you answer question, you earn money. Okay, so we'll go ahead to click on start. To start now. Now the next thing you do is just to put in your details, your date of birth, the currency, your current currency. Me, I'm a Nigerian, so I'm going to choose Nigeria, NGN. Okay, then the region, I'm from Nigeria. I'm going to choose Nigeria. Okay, okay, the religion, sorry, I'm a Christian, so you choose that you're a Christian. Anyone you are, then I'm a male. Then marital status, married. Then do you have children? Yes, I do. Then your occupation, I'm self-employed. Yes, an entrepreneur. Job, you enter details of your job. Then income, how much you earn per month. Let's say average of $100 to $199. Then you click on next. Okay, you click on next. Sorry, date of birth, I did not fill date of birth. So you fill your date of birth, then you click on it, but I'm going to click skip because I don't need to set it now. Okay, so you click on skip. Then once you skip, then the next thing you do is to you set up your educational level. Okay, graduated in the year you graduated from, the field of study, then everything concerning your education, you fill it here. Your height, you have to check your height, then your weight, then exercises, you check active. So then the next thing you click on next, but I'm clicking skip anyways. You click on next, then you choose where you are from, the ethnicity where you are from. Then you can click others, or hey, Africa, I'm an African, I'm a black and African, you click that. So the next thing, we move to next. Then you choose your hobby. After choosing your hobby, then next. Then finally, this is where you set in your bank account so that they will pay directly to your bank. So you click on your bank, you select the country, I'm Nigeria. Then you select the bank account you want to use. Maybe United Bank of Africa. I choose United Bank of Africa. Then you put in your account number. Then you click on next. Okay, that is where you set off your bank account so that they will pay directly to your account. So the next thing we do is you go back. Then after answering this thing, you will earn instantly. You're going to earn $0.01 instantly. You go to your wallet. Once you go to your wallet, you will see that you have earned the money. Okay. So here is your profile. This is where you say things about you. So this app is very, very simple. It's not something that is difficult. So this is where you always get your survey. So that is that for the app. So that is that.